My name is Paul Cauchi, and I'm the Chief of Commercial at Miami Realtors. I'm here to show you a new, easy way to send an email that you've previously sent on member to member without having to recreate that email. First, the easiest way to get to your member to member platform is to log on through the Miami Gateway. If you go to miamirealtors.com, you can access the gateway in the middle of the page. Once you click on the gateway logo, you can log in. Once you log in, you will either reach the commercial dashboard or the commercial residential dashboard. I have the commercial dashboard, and my logo to access member to member is the fifth icon. Either way, your icon will be on the first two rows. Click to single sign on to member email, and you will land at the dashboard. To resend a previous email, simply click on My Profile. It will pull up the history of your emails, including any email that's pending or any email that's sent. When you scroll down at the bottom, you're going to see My Email History Broadcast. You can click on an email that you've sent previously and simply copy that email here at the bottom. You can save this message and schedule it. If you'd like to send it now, simply schedule message. If you'd like to schedule it in the future, you can change the time at this date, time to send option. Once you schedule the message, the email will go out, or at the time you specify. It's that simple. I'm going to schedule this email for tomorrow at the same time. And now, when I click on the Miami Realtors logo at the top, you're going to see under my profile that this email is scheduled to go out tomorrow. It's that simple to send a previous email. This is your tip for today. I will be sending you more member to member tips. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being a Miami Commercial member. There will be more tips and tricks to come.